Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to change default keyboard. In the beginning, let's go to settings on your smartphone, find keyboard, default, and default keyboard again. Select between emoji keyboard and Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. If you want to set up Gboard as your default, go to Play Store and install Gboard. Open it, enable it in settings, select input method as Gboard and tap done. Now Gboard is set as default. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.